Cocktail is a mixed drink which is generally prepared by the blending of one or more alcohol-content beverage. It can be a spirit, it can be a liquor with various syrups, juices, etc. Today we are going to prepare some of the best classic and contemporary cocktails which is quite popular in between the youngsters. It's a rum-based cocktail. The name of this cocktail is Mojito. Mojito spelling M-O-J-I-T-O, Mojito. It's not Mojito, it's Mojito. For the service of Mojito, we need a tall glass, we need a Collins glass. We need some fresh mint leaves. Remember the secrets of any good cocktail. The cocktail has to be prepared from a good quality of juice. Unless your cocktail will not or mocktail will not come out perfectly. And the ingredients you are using, it need to be fresh. So use fresh lemon juice, about 20 leaves, 20 to 25 leaves depending upon the size of the leaf. Here I have used around 20 mint leaves. Now here I'll add 15 ml to 20 ml depending upon the taste of the guest, how much sour he needs. Sugar syrup, about 20 ml of sugar syrup and 20 ml of lime juice. 20 ml of sugar syrup and 20 ml of lime juice. Now there are various methods of preparing a cocktail. The cocktail can be shaken, it can be stirred, it can be built up. There are certain things which you need to muddle inside the glass or inside a cocktail shaker. Here we need to muddle the mint leaves along with the sugar syrup and your lemon juice. So here I am using this equipment. This is muddler, M-U-D-D-L-E-R, muddler, which is used to muddle. So gently you have to muddle. Please make sure you are muddling it gently or else you may break the glass. Here we need 2 ounces, that is 60 ml of white rum, Bacardi or any brand's white rum. Here we are using Bacardi. Remember, Bacardi is the best rum brand in the world and it is also the oldest. Remember this Mojito, this particular cocktail Mojito, it's about, this is 21st century. This particular cocktail is about 600 years old. It's about 600 years old cocktail. Traditionally it used to be made out of sugarcane juice, but now sugar syrup is used, grain sugar is used, powder sugar is used. So 2 ounces of rum, white rum. Then give it a good stir. And fill the glass with ice cubes, not crushed ice cubes. Remember, this is very strong cocktail because it consists of 2 ounces of rum. You can use, there are various type of rums. You can use any of the rums and you need to top it with soda. Garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. You can also garnish it with lemon wedges or lemon slice. Classic mojito.